So right now we're in North Guatemala, it's almost pretty much like a jungle here in Petén. What we're going to do in today's video, so we're going to see if we can find the Guatemalan howler monkey. They're pretty much in quite a few locations where it's quite forestry, quite jungly. Like right now, look at it. We are basically near Isla de Flores. It's a small little town slash island. And let's see, people, if we can find the howler monkey in the jungles of Guatemala. Right, let's have a little look here. So there was this restaurant called Races, and from there's a little trail that enters the jungle. I've got to climb quite a few stairs. There's a little viewpoint. We climbed up those stairs. We see a viewpoint of Flores Island. I'll put a little drone shot for you right now so you can see what the view was like. And I'm hearing things in the... Oh, what's that? Guys, I think we've actually found the howler monkey already, you know. Can you hear something over there? Is it there?
It's leaving. It's left.
What's left?
Left.
I didn't see it. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, guys. So she saw the monkey. I didn't see it though. Oh, damn. Where is it? Is it gone? Damn. I think it went that way, guys. I heard it earlier when we were up in that viewpoint, but I didn't see it. She saw it. I was busy vlogging for you guys. Introduction. Ah, a la grande, as they say in Guatemala. It is super hot. It's about, I think the weather says about 31 degrees today, guys. All right, let's see if we can find this howler monkey. We certainly could hear it. It's gone that way. Damn, it's gone that way, guys. Yeah, I can see the trees moving up there. That's all right, guys. Don't worry. Like I said in this video, what we're gonna do is try to capture a howler monkey live in action in the forests of Guatemala, Petén, North Guatemala. Let's see what we can find for you guys. So we can find another monkey for you to see. I don't really know what the monkey call is like. Probably not. Alright guys, let's keep exploring in these jungles right here. Travel gang. Make sure you check out the other videos too on the channel. We've just come from Mexico all the way through to Belize, so there's plenty of content for you to catch up on if you've just clicked on this video to see the monkeys. Hopefully we can find them. Hola. See, all good, you? Is it tough for you?
Yeah.
We think we saw a monkey.
The howler monkey?
Yeah, the howler monkey, yeah. We'll try and find some more. Hopefully capture on camera.
Usually where there's one, there's more.
Yeah. Have a nice day anyway.
You too, man.
Respect, thank you. Hey guys. Let's continue. Let's see if we can find some howler monkeys for you guys. Still not seen any monkeys. Check it out. Well, we're going to continue. It's gone a bit quiet around here now, as you can see. Look, just pure jungle. Jungle is massive. You get me? Anyway, let's continue. Okay, so we've got a dog following us. Got private beach there. So we've got a dog following us, guys. He's going to help us find the monkeys. Vamos. Stop. What the fuck? That one's low, no? It's just there. Nah. What the fuck is that? those guys coming down. I don't know if it's going to attack us or not. Shit. Wow. There you go, guys. Howler monkey. Howling. Don't know how well we can see it. There's one just there, right above me. Jesus. And one there. There's another one howling over there. Guys, that was quite easy to find these monkeys, wasn't it? How do they sound? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever seen one before? Wow. Should we continue? Okay, vamos. Alright guys, we're going to continue vlogging. Oh God, that one sounds like it's close, you know. Right. I don't know if they attack or... So let me know in the comments if they attack or if I should be careful. It might be a bit too late. Okay, this one's close now. Oh, fuck, we're getting super close, babe. Where is that one? Okay, now. I can't see it. We are closer. I think that's where they live there. Look, can you see? It's quite bushy. I think they're quite territorial, so it's howling at us right now. Can't really see it, guys. Definitely there. Howling away. Jesus. Better. I'm hoping it's not just going to jump and attack us. Is there? There it is.
Es que es un bebé.
Just over there. He's got a baby, that's why. Okay, I think that's why they're howling, guys. There's a baby there with that monkey, so it's obviously territorial. Yeah, I can see there's like 3 of them, babes. Los tres. There's 3 there. I think they're howling because there's a baby there, so this is quite territorial. The other monkey over there, I think we were getting quite close to this family, so I don't know how well we can guys see. It's just there where my finger is. It's quite difficult to see. Oh, one's over there howling, and these guys are howling here. Yeah, there's literally like 1, 2, 3, there's 4, there's 4. Okay, so there's 4 over there, not just 3. Crazy guys, travel gang. We found the howler monkeys, the northern Guatemalan forest in the jungle. Alright, anyways guys, hope you liked the video. I'm not too sure if we're going to get any close-ups, so I think we're just going to end the video right now. At least we got to hear the howler monkeys of the northern Guatemalan rainforest. Anyways guys, peace in the Middle East. Hope you like that one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, drop me a comment, do all those things. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next one.